the phoenix rises from the fire, truth will be the only bastion of justice. You hear that? Every day you wake up, it's another one. Another rape, another kill, another con, another outrage, another plan. It's becoming a phenomenon. Culture, they say, tradition. Since forever, it's been going on and on and on. Nothing will change, they say. Hey. Talk till your throat dry. Cry if you want to cry. You'll still be lonely. Facing the darkest days. People just go their ways. We're the forgotten ones. Piled up in file 13. Having a bad dream. In a predator's paradise. Hey. No one remembers me. Predator's paradise. Hey. You out there, could you pray for me? Perpetrators get away with everything, talk true. Their supporters and cheerleaders only laugh at you. What the hell the police can do? In other words, your outcome will depend on you. Prey becomes predator, the thing get off a road. Frustration and grief, it depend overload. Some of this party truth in a the code. How the predator got his hold. In a predator's paradise. Yeah. No one remembers me. Yeah. Predator's paradise. Yeah. If you're out there, could you pray for me? Every day you wake up, it's another one. Another rape, another kill, another con, another outrage, another plan. It's becoming a phenomenon. Culture, they say, tradition. Since forever, it's been going on